Yeah, that's right. Grade 5 math. And if you've never heard tell of good debt before, I've made some other videos just to share that stuff as well. This is just my profits from renting out stocks each month. So I just started to go down through the numbers. I get a little excited and I just want to share some of the simple math and just to give you an idea how this actually works. Check this out. Okay, from my renting out stocks for the month of May, it's $370. Roughly we'll say 370. And keep that nice even number, 370, but I needed 200 shares to make this happen. Well, I only had enough. I only had 150 shares, or 3/4 of the way. So I had to borrow another 50 shares that cost $4,600, and I borrowed them from the bank, and they will give me a bill at the end of the month on how much it costs. And that bill was $33. So to borrow that, to get the 50 shares, it cost me $33 a month for those 50 shares. And then also here you can see how much is available. Shows the time, or not the time, but the dates. Anyway, shows a lot more there for you. You can see 9.15 is the interest rate I'm paying, but $33 for 50 shares. Now, I'm going to break this down a little farther so we can check this out a little bit more. So for the 50 shares, it was a quarter of the way to get to 200, right? So of 50 shares, so you're going to divide the profit, because I wanted this pie sliced into 4 pieces. You divide it by 4, because quarter of the way, so 50 shares. That's just showing the money that I'm borrowing for the 50 shares and the money that I'm making off those 50 shares. And that's $92. Now out of that $92, that'd be a quarter of what the 200 was. Out of that $92, to borrow the money costs $33. So $92 to get 50 shares minus the $33 that it cost me. So the profit was 92 minus the 33. That gives you the $59 for using that money. And that's what's called good debt. So I'll do this month after month, all year long, no problem at all. Add some zeros to the end of it even. But there you go. There's a quick little example of what good debt is. And on top of that, the $33, don't forget, is also tax deductible, because that's the cost of doing business when you borrow. Pretty cool stuff. Thanks for checking this out, and stay tuned for more down the road.